Hi there, and welcome to today's video on creating a budget and sticking to it. In today's video, we'll go over the steps you need to take to create a budget that works for you, as well as some tips and tricks for sticking to your budget once you have it in place. First things first, let's talk about why having a budget is important. A budget is essentially a plan for how you're going to allocate your income and expenses. By creating a budget, you can make sure that you're saving enough money for your financial goals, such as saving for retirement or building up an emergency fund. A budget can also help you avoid overspending and getting into debt, which can be a real burden on your financial well-being. So, how do you go about creating a budget? There are a few key steps you'll want to follow. 1. Identify your income. This includes all sources of money that you have coming in, such as your salary, any freelance work you do, and any investments you have. 2. List your expenses. Make a list of all of your expenses, including things like rent or mortgage payments, utilities, groceries, and entertainment. Don't forget to include any debts you may have, such as credit card bills or student loans. 3. Determine your savings goals. Think about what you want to save for, whether it's a down payment on a house, a big vacation, or something else. Make sure to factor in any big expenses you may have coming up, such as car repairs or home renovations. 4. Calculate your budget. Now that you know your income and expenses, you can calculate your budget by subtracting your expenses from your income. This will give you an idea of how much money you have left over to put towards your savings goals. Now that you have a budget in place, it's time to start sticking to it. Here are a few tips to help you stay on track. 1. Track your spending. Use apps or tools to keep track of where your money is going. This can help you identify areas where you might be overspending, so you can make adjustments to your budget accordingly. 2. Set limits. Decide on a certain amount of money you're willing to spend in each category of your budget, and stick to it. This can help you avoid overspending and stay on track with your financial goals. 3. Be flexible. It's okay to make adjustments to your budget as needed, especially if you have unexpected expenses pop up. Just make sure to recalculate your budget and make sure you're still on track to meet your savings goals. By creating a budget and sticking to it, you can take control of your finances and set yourself up for long-term financial success. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more helpful tips on managing your money. Thanks for watching.